Hello, in this video I will tell you how to mine Bitcoin free from this websites. Website name is mining one Bitcoin. I am using this website for almost a year. This is the website. When you log in here, this website will give you free 100 GH per S. So this is my mining one Bitcoin dashboard. This is my Bitcoin balance. It's a good website. The active hash power is 100. I don't know what this means. GHS per S. Any is a rate of Bitcoin mining. I think so. There's also a referral program in here which will give you 5% Bitcoin mining of your referral. Invite new members and you can get 5% profit from your referral earning daily. You will get it daily. Now you can withdraw your Bitcoins balance from this website to your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Just put your address. Uh, I will withdraw this Bitcoin in my Bitcoin wallet. Put your password, detail your password, your email, your Bitcoin account number, and then save it. I will not save it because I will do in the next video. And there is also a 100k boundary. This is a legit Bitcoin mining website. Just make your account and left it. It will mine your Bitcoin when you are sleeping. You have nothing to do with it. It is a free Bitcoin mining website. Now, thanks for watching. I will meet you in my next video, and I will also and please also subscribe my channel.